Hello friends, my name is Ashish Kumar Sahu and we are learning C programming language. In the previous class we have learnt about what is a C programming language and its history. In this class we will learn about what are the features of C programming. What are the features? So I have already written the 10 features of C program, that is the first one is simple, next is portable, next is middle level, structured, procedural, rich library, speed, pointer, memory management and extensible. I will discuss one by one. First go to the simple. C is a very simple language. That means C is easy to learn and use. C is a procedural programming. That means we can divide a larger C program into smaller programs for the better understanding. So C is a simple language for learning and understanding. We can easily learn the C programming languages. C also contains some inbuilt functions, library functions, which makes it much more easier to learn. So that's why C is easier to learn and use. That's why it is a simple language. Go to the next one. It is a portable language. Portable means when one thing can be easily transferred from one place to another place, that is known as portable. C is a portable language. Why is this portable language? That means if a C program written in one computer with any operating system, it can run in any other computer with other operating system. So C is portable. That means it can run in one other computer with any hardware and software configuration. If I have a computer with 32-bit operating system and I have developed a C program, then I can run that C program in any other computer with different hardware and software configuration. That may be 32-bit, that may be 64-bit operating system. So portable, that means a C program written in one computer can be easily run in or executed in any other computer. Third one is middle level language. What is middle level? There are two levels of programming language, high level and low level. Low level means that belongs to 0 and 1. That is hardware programming language. C language is mainly used. C is in between these two, that is the low level and the high level. The low level, why it is known as low level language? Because we use C programming language to develop the kernels or the drivers for the hardware components or anything else that is related to hardware. So C or operating systems, C is used for developing the system softwares. So low level languages are used for developing system softwares. So C is also used for developing system softwares like operating system, drivers, compilers, etc. C is also used for developing applications, as in case of the high level programming language. So C lies between these two. One is high level, one is low level. So C is considered as a middle level language that is used for both developing the system softwares and application softwares. Next is structured. What is structure? Structure means well defined, well understood by any other user. So structured means if there is a large C program, then that C program can be divided into smaller parts. Those small parts are known as procedures or functions. These are known as procedures or functions. For example, there is a large bank application for giving loans. So there are different types of loan sections like vehicle loan, home loan, life policy loan. There may be different types of loans with the different types of policies. If I will write the C program for everything in one program, it will be very difficult to understand and very difficult to modify also, because later if any other programmer will come, it will be difficult for him or her to search and to modify or to correct that module by searching that. So if I will divide one programming section or one module for the home loan, one module for the vehicle loan and one module for the LIC or life insurance loan, then if there will be any modification later stage, then I can easily modify that part by if I have to modify some interest rates in housing loan or home loan, then I will go only to the housing loan section part of the module and I will modify there. I do not have to go through the entire coding. So this is called modularity. It is also known as modularity. Structured or modular programming it is known as. So a large program can be divided into smaller and more efficient sections to be easily understood by the user. That is known as structured programming language. Procedural. C is a procedural programming language. Why? I have already told you that a C program, a large C program can be divided into smaller parts, and in C program these smaller parts or modules are known as procedures or functions. As these small parts are known as functions or procedures, so this is known as a procedure oriented programming language or procedural programming language. Rich library. C contains a large number of inbuilt functions, which makes it more efficient for writing programs or developing programs. For example, I want to find out the length of a string. So I have to write down the program to find out the length of the string. But there is also a function strlen or strlen function is there to find out the length of a function. Just I have to put the function name to find out the length. I want to take some input from the keyboard. I will use scanf. I want to print some output. I use printf. So there are different types of inbuilt functions which are used for developing an application quickly. So this is rich in library functions. We can use those library functions just by calling their names to develop an application very quickly. C is very speed or fast. Speed or fast means in terms of compilation and execution. As C is much closer to the low level language also, so it is easily converted into 0 and 1. C can be easily compiled. Compiled means the source code will be converted into object code. As the source code should be converted into object code, as C is nearly to the low level language, it will be easily compiled. It is easily compiled to the low level language. So compilation process is very much easier. So compilation and execution speed of C is very much faster as compared to other programming languages. C uses a concept that is known as pointer. So what is pointer? Pointer means memory. So we can easily handle the memory management. So using pointer we can handle the memory parts. For example, we can store any data in a memory. We can retrieve the data from a memory location. We can see which memory part is holding which type of data. So pointer is a concept which comes in the C programming language, which is later used in different programming languages like C++, Java, .NET, PHP also, which allow the user to understand the memory management or what type of memory is storing what type of data or where the data is stored. The ninth one is memory management. Memory management means we can execute the memory, or that is known as memory allocation, deallocation. We can easily allocate or deallocate the memory to the program using calloc or malloc operations or calloc or malloc function. We can use the free or new. These are different types of functions we can use for the memory management in the C program. The last one is extensible. Extensible means we can add new features to the C program. We can add new features to the C program. There is a C program. There is C programming. We can easily add new features later. We can easily add new technologies which will come later. So extensible, it can be extended easily. So these are the different types of features which are for the C programming language. I hope you have better understood this type of tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section, and if you have liked this video, then you can share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.